your admission stage, so without your information, so I will be collecting it. So I will only have a brief explanation for your qualification. So your qualification that you're taking is web development and CP, and this is the qualification summary. The list of competency from basic, common to core competency. And this is our core plan in this assessment area. So I would also like to show you that your self-assessment guide and the CAA, which is Competency Assessment Agreement. So now, are you ready for your assessment? This candidate number 1, Mr. Sherwin Corrales. Let's proceed to the assessment area. So I want you to demonstrate to me the basic web page layout. I will give you only 1 hour. Finish your demonstration. Okay. This is your test package. I will give you about 30 minutes to complete your test package. Okay, thank you very much. Now may I call on candidate number 2, Mr. Alvin. Let's proceed to the assessment. So I want you to demonstrate to me the basic web page layout, and I will give you about an hour to finish it. Okay, so this is your best package. I will give you only 30 minutes to finish your best package. Okay, thank you very much. You may go back to the class. So for my final verdict, if I'm going to tell you if you're confident or not yet confident, may I call on Mr. Carate to the assessment area for your final verdict if you're confident or not. So before I proceed with the decision, if you're confident or not yet confident, I would like to ask you one question. What is HTML?
HTML is foundation and basic programming languages.
Okay, thank you very much. So as I can see, Mr. Corrales, you demonstrate a good basic layout. You also almost perfect test package in this waiting sheet. And also, you answered the oral questioning clearly. So I would like to congratulate you because for now on, you're confident in the qualification of web development and thank you very much. So, as for the candidate number 2, Mr. Javier Sherbo, so I have only one question for you for my final verdict if you're confident or not yet confident. So, Mr. Albino Sherbo, what is CSS?
CSS is the design of codes. They're what they look like when they're operational.
As for this rating sheet, as for my rating sheet here, so you demonstrate the basic web page layout, quite organized, and the test package, you answer some of the test package. You didn't answer some of the test package. You just leave it blank. And for your oral questioning, you didn't quite get the question or you didn't quite get the question that I want, the answer that I want. So I'm sorry, Mr. Asherto, but I'm only saying this that you're not